What's going on, good people? Today we're going to show you how to make custom name door plates. They go on office doors, or you can make them for desks, whatever you want to do. First couple of things you're going to need: some sign vinyl. As I have here, I already got it cut. I just got to weed it. And this is just some PVC, some plastic, shiny side plastic. There's a place in, I think it's Shelby Township, Michigan. It's called Laird, L-A-I-D plastic. These cost me $2. The vinyl is probably about $1 worth of vinyl, but I'm going to sell this to a business for $15. So stay tuned, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So as you guys can see, I've already weeded my Oracle 651 black vinyl. Now, somebody might be saying, well, you can't do door signs because they're usually stenciled in, or what, I forget what you call it, but where they kind of grind the letters in and it turns black or whatever. Oracle 651 is a very good sign vinyl. 5 to 10 years shelf life outdoors. So these are indoors, and it's not like it's going to be around the elements or anything like that. So this is a very, very good vinyl to use for this project. So once you have it weeded, I have a GraphTech CE6000. You could do this on a Cricut, Silhouette, doesn't even matter. I just got a scrap piece of sign vinyl mask, and I'm just going to take it in the middle and spread it out. Doesn't matter how neat it is or nothing, anything like that. All that doesn't matter, because once you grab your squeegee, just kind of squeegee it. I use this mask a couple of times, on different things. I don't throw it away. I don't use it just once. I use it a couple of times. So I just cut it. And this the second or third time I use this mask, so I'm going to trim it all the way to the edge, because I'm not going to use it again after this. Let's do that. This out the way. Re-squeegee, just to make sure all the letters are on when I peel off. Another quick tip is you want to leave about a 1/4 inch or more all the way around, just so you can make sure your letters, your word is centered or wherever you want to put it, so you're not going all the way to the edge. Peel the mask. Scoop this one out the way, and you kind of just eye it. Sometimes you could, or you could take what I don't have any right now, but sometimes you could spray a little Windex on here, just a little bit, just to wet it. So once you put this on, if you need to move it, you can. So I'm just going to eye it and bow it in the middle. On there. Grab it at an angle, the corner, and you can just pull at an angle. Slow, so the letters don't come off. Just kind of pull it slow at an angle like such. And voila. And you can kind of, if you see any where it's raising up a little bit, just kind of take your squeegee, go over it, and there you have a door sign for an office. Now, what also, on the back side, you can take some double-sided sticky tape, which this is what I'm going to do for this one. Not going to do it on here, but I'll take some double-sided tape, run a piece across this in there, and they could just peel and stick it right on the door. Lasts forever. Hope this helps somebody. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, because we will be having more videos on how to craft, do different things, and put more money in your pocket. Thanks for watching.